What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are in the C8 and we are going to be installing some trim covers that we got from Kustom Interiors. They are red suede and they're gonna go here on the Waterfall. We got a Waterfall trim cover right here and then one on top for the speaker, and we also have one right here for the gear shift control panel. So it should be pretty simple. It's just kind of mock, clean, peel and stick. So let's get right into it. Wait. Little rev. Let me see. 3,000. That's 2,500. That's 4,000. A little more. All right, so let's open up this box real quick. Yeah, it's nice outside. Oh yeah. Let's put this box right here and just open it up and check it out. Let's see here. This is the one that goes on top of the speaker. It's pretty nice. Pretty nice. This is the other part of the Waterfall. Some little things sticking out. We'll get that off. And then in here we have the gear shift control panel. All right, let's mock these up. All right, so for the bottom part of the Waterfall, this has to come up, and this is just like a little pool. And it's out, and you'll be able to kind of sneak it in under, and it just sticks. We're gonna clean it, we'll peel it, and we'll push it on, and then this top part just peel and stick. Oh, that looks really good. All right, so let's mock this one now, and it just goes under here. Like this one. Yeah, and that's gonna be pretty easy. So now let's clean everything up and just put it on. I just clean it real quick with some alcohol. Now let that dry for a second. All right, so we remove these. Kind of pull them off a little bit after we cleaned. Oh no, I'm missing this guy here. And we stick it in here. Just kind of have to get it under in as best as you can. Stick it on and just apply pressure for like 20 seconds and it should stick. And good to go. It's nice. Buttons come up and everything, and it works. All good. Sweet. Looks really good. All right, so we gotta clean this side. Make sure there's no greasy fingers on it. All right, so now I pull all these so it'll be quicker. Peel them off. Now we sneak it here and we stick it. All right, so it's easier with the seats forward, so that way you're not bumping into the seats. But you basically have to pull this up and then just kind of like slowly figure out how to settle. And then once it's settled and you think it's in the middle, then you can kind of have to like press. And once you press in and down, it's all up in there. Put some pressure and hold it so it kind of sticks. All right, so more peeling, pull them out or peel the corners so it's quicker. Like one by one and getting stuck. And this one you do have to be tricky here, because it's gonna, once it lays flat, it's gonna want to stay. So you make sure it's kind of centered or whatnot, and then you push it all the way, and then we put pressure on it. And that's all done. And if you can see from the sun or the shade, like that color matches perfect their seat covers. Go from there to, and from over here, I say that looks pretty good from this angle too. Like if you look at it, and they have other pieces. I'm gonna have to get with them and get the other pieces, because they have other pieces for there, for over there, to cover up all the silver for that red suede. And that red suede, that matches perfect. If you see the seat covers, the waterfall cover, it matches really, really, really good. All right, so just going for a little quick drive here so I can show you how it looks in the shade, out and about, shade and sun. And to me, it looks really good. Looking over the car, and the colors match. For being suede and leather, the colors match really good, and it looks really good. I definitely need to get the piece for here and for here to kind of match it, but I love how it looks, and I like how the details for the hard parkers, I mean, the red matches the seats, the stitching right here, the stitching. We have the brakes, the front emblem has some red, the rear emblem that says Corvette, the last owner changed that to red. I painted the cover for the engine red. So all those little details matter, and it looks really good with the seawolf gray and the carbon flash, and the wheels is the only thing that's different, so it pops up, but that's how it's supposed to be. I like how it looks. So I will make sure to put a link in the description if you're interested in these parts. They come in black suede, red suede, and I think even in leather. Ooh, that sun. I'm not gonna put my glasses. I'm on my way home anyways. So far, everything looks good. I will definitely provide an update. And that's pretty much it. You know what to do. Like, subscribe, and all the above. See if we can let you hear it right here real quick. And a little downshift, and let's get a little hit here. A little quick for the noise. Alright, so now we're in the shade. For sure, so I'll let you see that. I don't know if it looks different here or not, but to me it looks pretty good in person. I mean, when you look at the material, it is different. So suede and leather, it does have a little bit of a shade, but when it's in the sun or you're looking from like way far ahead, to me it looks really good. It looks the same, matches pretty good, matches with everything, so I'm happy. So now, yes, see you guys later.